Namaste, welcome to the episode of Everyday Gujarati Cooking. It's been a long time. I have been thinking of sharing my way of making Gujarati Kadhi where I grew up. Gujarati Kadhi is of course made with a different methods, different masala. So I thought I want to share my traditional masala recipe. Normally ginger and green chili is just good enough to flavor curry, but depending on the season, curry is prepared different ways. I also add some Amba Haldi, Pili Haldi. Amba Haldi is basically mango ginger. Of course, there is regular ginger in it as well, and also the yellow fresh turmeric. If you can't find fresh turmeric, you can use just a turmeric powder, but when they are used fresh, you get the most nutrients out of the fresh ingredients. During winter time, curry is prepared with Amba Haldi, Pili Haldi, adrak, which is basically like a fresh yellow turmeric, mango ginger, and the regular ginger. In Rajasthan specifically, and where I grew up, Amba Haldi, which is mango ginger, is very popular. It has a very unique flavor, and nowadays all these ingredients can be found easily at many Indian groceries. I live in the US and I can easily find all these ingredients, but I have some in my yard. So I normally pick from my garden, or if I have less, then I just buy from the grocery store. Here I have some fresh turmeric plants. It's Pili Haldi. So I'm going to show you how to remove Pili Haldi, which is fresh turmeric root. I have also taken out some mango ginger, which is Amba Haldi known as, or white ginger also known as. And here I have ginger as well. So let's take some ginger as well. And while I'm in the garden, I'm also going to pick some curry patta, which is curry leaves. Curry leaves are must for curry. It just gives that fragrance that as soon as you smell it, you just want to have curry. So here I have lined a few more ingredients to prepare curry masala. So let's get started. So as you can see here, I have yellow and white turmeric, also known as Amba Haldi, also known as white turmeric, and ginger and fresh turmeric. I'm going to show you how they look like from inside just in a bit. Some red dry whole chilies, fresh chilies from the spice box. In vagar, which is seasoning, normally cumin seeds, which is jeera, mustard seeds, rye, and methi seeds are used. I have some salt, more chilies, curry leaves, and here I have the stone mortar pestle, which is traditionally used to prepare masala. So let me show you how all these fresh roots look like from inside. This is yellow turmeric, haldi, and this is how it looks like from inside. Yellow color. Then here I have white turmeric, also known as, we call it Amba Haldi, which is like a mango ginger because it has a flavor of a mild mango and ginger, of course. So I'm just going to show you from inside. This is how it looks like. As you can see, the color of a mango as well, and it smells amazing. I just wish I could make you smell. I'm going to clean them again. I cleaned once, but I will have to clean them again. And this is just ginger, we all know. So I'm going to wash them again. Alright, so I peeled and washed everything. I'm just going to cut ginger into small chunks. If you are not used to cutting like this, please use cutting board. Here I have chili. Remove the stem, and curry leaves again. Remove the stem. So we got curry leaves, chili, ginger, yellow turmeric, white turmeric. Actually, this is also white turmeric. So we got this ginger. So as you can see, the amount of ginger is more than other roots basically, but it always depends on how you like your curry to be. So I'm going to add all these into this stone mortar, and also going to add a little bit of salt and then start grinding. I actually prefer to use concrete floor to use this kind of a stone mortar so that you don't damage any of the surface in your house or in your kitchen. I also love the flavor of little bit of a cumin seeds, which is jeera, inside masala as well, and also in a tempering later. If desired, you can just go ahead and use the electric blender, but this kind of traditional equipment enhances the flavor. Masala prepared using traditional equipment not just enhances the flavor but retains most of the nutrients. So I simply love to use if time permits, but nowadays we are all in hurry. But when you have time, just at least feel and see how it brings that amazing flavor in your cooking. Alright, so I'm done making masala, as you can see. The aroma here is so wonderful. And look at the masala. And now, ready to prepare curry. Here I have the homemade yogurt. I'm going to take 2 cups of yogurt. And now to this, add 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, besan, and whisk together really well. There shouldn't be any lumps of besan, and keep on side. Heat up the pot you want to prepare curry in. Heat up teaspoon of ghee, clarified butter, or you can use oil. Add dry whole red chilies, cinnamon known as taj, cloves known as long or loving. Ghee has melted. Add fenugreek seeds known as methi. Add mustard seeds, which is rye. Cumin seeds, jeera. Take off the pot from the heat or cover to prevent the mess. And when all the seeds are done, add curry leaves, limri, and ready to add prepared beaten yogurt. Cover immediately to retain that smoky flavor in the curry. And turn off the stove. Add remaining yogurt with water as much as you want. So here I have about 2 cups of water. Now bring curry to boil, and you can always adjust consistency of curry anytime. Turn on the stove again on a medium to high heat to bring curry to boil this time. Here I have the curry masala that I shared earlier. And now it's time to boil curry. I add more curry leaves for extra fragrance. And finely chopped coriander leaves, hara dhania. And the key is to keep on stirring the curry while it comes to the boil. Add salt as needed, and sugar is totally optional. So here I have curry ready to serve, and I have my Gujarati thali ready as well and ready to have dinner. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of making Gujarati Kadhi. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for new recipe videos every week. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.